Oh, man. You're getting hooligan already. That was cool.
Oh, it's a little wet.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. There he goes.
Oh, there's water here. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh, this is really bad cat. Oh, holy crap.
Yeah, that's,
If I fight it, I'm gonna be on your camera.
yeah, I hope so.
It's gonna be great footage. Oh gosh.
Hold on, let's get it.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh.
Gave up. That's funny. Where are you? Bushes over there or something?
I went through water for the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I'm all wet now. Oh, I am.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
That's all. Oh, your bike's filthy.
Is it?
Yeah. Dripping. That looked like fun.
I need more practice.
Yeah.
I need more practice. And it scares. When the bike is going like this,
Yeah.
it's scary. Oh man. Oh man.
Take the whoops over there. Stay light, yeah. Whoa.
Oh, here's more.
Oh, look at this, look at that. Oh, look at this thing.
Oh, I'm going. Oh, I saved it. Oh. It's really, really bad. Okay, I think that's enough. It's super tiring. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm quite prepared for this. Do I wash it before our trip or just go?
Oh, look at the forest. Got the bike for it now. Go wherever.
Huh?
Go wherever. Have fun.
I know, and that's just it.
I want to thank you for watching and following along in this series. I urge you to subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed these videos. It motivates me to create more content for you. There are more videos to come on my road trips and adventures, so please stay tuned and stay safe.